everyone, Ate Guard Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay didiscuss na natin itong Memorandum Advisory number 060-2025. Last year pa pala ito nakapost, no? However, itong subject na to is utilization of bank and armor guard regarding sa license to exercise security profession. Ayan, by private security personnel deployed in banking institution and armored vehicles. So, sabi dito sa Section C, nag-request yung BSMAP or yung BSMAP, Bank Security Management Association of the Philippines, INC, for utilization of our license na maging bank and armored yung ating specialization ito ng ating license nga. So, sabi dito, this pertains to the request of the BSMAP for the moratorium on the strict implementation of the license requirements for private security personnel posted in the banks and other financial institution, of which majority are still holding yung ordinary nga natin na license, yung security guard. Kasi may mga specialization kasi. So, gusto nilang mangyari ngayon, pag nasa bank ka, dapat bank and armored yung iyong category. So, meron kasi pagka K9 ka na sa K9 ka naman, so, may specialization din doon, may training din doon para maging ang yung license ay K9. Or CCTV operator, or kung security officer ka, yung mga ganon. So, pag bank and armored, iba yung category, iba yung specialization, and of course yung training, at kailangan yung another mag-training nga kayo ulit. So ito yung inano nila kasi gawa nga ng madaming mga nangyaring mga alam niyo yun, yung mga barilan, yung mga puro na lang mga security guards yung naha-highlight, no? So ito yung inano nila nga kasi syempre yung trabaho natin dito is about life and talaga pera to So, ayun nga. Sabi dito sa Section 2, this pertains to the request of BSMAP for the the strict implementation nga, sabi dito. So, in regards to all concerned, private security personnel or private security professionals posted in the banks and other financial institutions are authorized to utilize their respective license in lieu of the bank and armored guard license during the period of implementation and facilitate standardized competency-based training programs. So ito yung training na to is yung ating SIBASTRAC, yung Comprehensive Bank and Armored Training Course. So kailangan talaga ninyong itong mag-training nito, no? Mga buddy. So, it's just that madami lang ako nakikita mga comment, nagsasabi yung mga 5-9 natin na what if daw na let's say mag-resign or ililipat ng agency sa ibang institution, for example sa mall or sa mga BPO na posting, no? So, another training na naman. Hindi na. Yung kung ano yung card nyo, yung ating bank and armor na card, na license, magagamit nyo pa rin yun, mga buddy. It's just that, kailangan nyo talagang mag-undergo dito sa training sa SIBASTRAC na to. Kasi nire-required na at saka binigyan dito ng parang ultimatum na hanggang June 4, 2026 na lang talaga. So, mayroon pa tayong 6 months para ma-process or para mag-training tayo, magkaroon tayo ng license sa SIBASTRAC nga at mapalitan yung category natin na bank and armored guard. So, I hope naintindihan, no, ng mga 5-9 natin. So, ayan. Sabi dito, failure to comply with this directive will be dealt with accordingly. Ayan. So, social will resume inspection. So, mag-inspect na daw sila. Pero binigyan tayo ng palugit hanggang June 4, 2026. So, I hope may natutunan kayo guys for today's video. Please subscribe or follow Ate Guard TV for more updates. Thank you so much. Ingat po tayo palagi.